Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how to use Zoho CRM for customer service. So right over here, we are in Zoho CRM. This is the home page. This is where you'll see all your dashboards and all of your details over here. Okay, so what we want to actually have a look for on the bottom left-hand side is the gear icon. It's the setup. And here you can set up your Zoho CRM for customer service. And here you want to set up some channels. So let's say you're working with email and you're working with business messaging. Business messaging will allow you to add third-party apps like Line or WhatsApp into your channels. Okay, you can also use SMSs. You can use web forms, some social media platforms over here, so you can create a new brand altogether. And then you can simply use the chat, which I believe is probably the easiest to do. Okay, so if you haven't set this up, you will literally just go ahead and click on setup, and here you can actually see this is what it looks like once you've actually created the sales IQ, and here you can go ahead and you can install code. You can personalize everything that you need to personalize. You can control some flows, and then you'll have your configuration over here. So this is how you would set it up. And once you've set it up, it will be here. You go just back to your home page over here. You're going to go have a look for your channels. Now, if you'd like to set up multiple communication channels, you can go in here, and again, you can go down into channels and you can set up email, for example, and here you can just configure what your emails will look like. So we've got font size, this is your preview, where it's coming from, the default reply to, and you can add in a signature. You can actually see a bunch of details on your actual email, so you can access your customer emails from your CRM. You can also send and receive, and then you can sync your emails. What you'll have to do is just click on get started, and then here you can choose your provider. Now, if you are using Zoho Mail, that will probably be the best idea, because then it's all integrated into one single space. But if you are using Gmail or Office 365, Outlook, whatever the case may be, go ahead and you can use that. For example, you're going to go and click on this over here, and you can choose the protocol to configure. So it's either IMAP, the POP, or the API integration. Now, the difference between these two is that you will have your IMAP. If you're choosing this, it'll be synced with Gmail, and if you're using the POP, it will not be synced. It'll just be redirected to your Zoho CRM email. Once you've clicked on connect or configure, you'll see over here, this will come up. You'll have to just integrate whichever account you would like to integrate. You are going to just add in your verification code over here, and then once you're connected, you'll be able to use that Gmail account or whichever account you have chosen within your CRM system over here for customer communications. And there you go. You can connect as many channels as you'd like, and then you can manage literally everything in one single space for customer service.